Hi there, and for this video, we'll be showing you how to buy BTC or Bitcoin on your Coinbase account. So right now we're here on the homepage of our Coinbase. And of course, the first thing we have to do is to make sure that you have a payment method linked with your account. Now, in case you haven't done that yet, for the Coinbase exchange for PC, onto our profile icon and then click settings. Now once here, we simply have to scroll down into payment methods. And I do not have one linked on this account, but you simply click on the add a payment method button and you should see more options here. From where I'm at, this is all I can link to my Coinbase, a Swift bank account. You may have more options though. I believe even PayPal can be linked as well. Now, if you have a payment method already set up, you can simply buy BTC from the homepage itself. As right here on our right hand side, you can see that it is already set on buy. You can select between a one-time order and a recurring buy to set it up. And this is the currency you want to buy our Bitcoin with. I cannot make the purchase as I do not have the USD on this account, but this is simply where you have to go. Now, alternatively, if you are using the Coinbase wallet, this is the homepage of our Coinbase wallet. And to buy Bitcoin from the wallet, you simply go to the bottom right to this wallet icon and click on buy. Now, by default, we are using the network Base, and you cannot find BTC on that network. So we have to change that into Bitcoin. And now you can buy BTC and select your payment method. In my case, I have more options on the mobile version than on the PC. Once you've selected your provider, simply go back and continue to payment. Of course, there is a minimum amount that you can purchase. Just make sure it is on or above that amount. Then simply click continue to payment. Now, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, maybe subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Thank you for watching and see you again next time.